Hey there, are you looking for the perfect property to host all of your family and friends? I'm Katie House. Welcome to our newest listing at 403 Misty Lane in beautiful Glenwood City, Wisconsin. Step inside with me and check it out. The main floor master bedroom is truly grand and features a private balcony with stunning views, vaulted ceilings, and you can walk right into your spacious master bathroom with a corner soaking tub and a huge walk-in closet. Check out this awesome great room. It has soaring vaulted ceilings, a cozy fireplace. It's open to the kitchen and the dining room areas, and you can walk out to your deck from here. If you're looking for an incredibly spacious home with stunning views, this is it. Give us a call to set up your private tour today.